Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to tell you that how can we use subtotals option in calc. So the subtotal command is used to basically automatically create groups and apply inbuilt functions like sum, count, average, etc. to summarize data. For example, the subtotal command can be used to calculate the number of jerseys of different size required for players. To insert subtotal values in a worksheet or into a worksheet, basically, we just need to select the ranges of cell with values for which subtotal function needs to be implemented. Ensure that the column must have labels. So as I have created this dummy data of name of the player and jersey size. So these do have the basically columns have the labels, name of the player and jersey size. So first of all, we need to select this and then click on the data menu, and here then select subtotals, and subtotal dialog box appears on the screen. So in the group by box, select the column for which subtotal is required. If the contents of the selected column change, the subtotals are automatically recalculated. So here I'll select jersey size. Now in calculate subtotals for box, select the columns containing the values to obtain a subtotal. So here we have to select number of the player. And now in the use function box, select the desired function to calculate the subtotals. Here we have used count function. Okay, now we just simply need to click on OK button and the results are here. So basically you can see that for a large vast data we can use this function. It was quite a easier data just to make you understand that how can we use this option in calc, excel, everywhere this needs the same step, and this is very simple and very good option for us to do a big calculation. I hope everything is clear. If anything is not clear, just comment down below. I hope I would be able to clear your doubts. Thank you so much for watching this video and do subscribe my channel.